warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Livia Ria Rajika, NPM 234111095 from class management 23A. Here I will explain the material about the leadership and decision making. Definition of leadership and decision making. Leadership is the ability of an individual to influence, guide, and motivate others to work together toward achieving specific goals. A leader does not only act as a manager but also as a guide who provides direction and inspiration to group members. Meanwhile, decision making is the process of selecting the best alternative from several available options to solve a problem or achieve a goal. In the context of leadership, decision making is one of the main functions that strongly determines the success of a leader in managing an organizational or group. The relationship between leadership and decision making. Leadership and decision making are closely connected and cannot be separated. A leader is constantly faced with situations that require fast, accurate, and responsible decisions. The quality of decision made by a leader greatly affects the direction, performance, and success of the organization. Therefore, good leadership is always characteristic by the ability to make effective decisions based on data, experience, and careful consideration. In this sense, decision making is a key indicator of a leader quality. Leadership styles in decision making. Every leader has a different leadership style in making decisions. An authoritarian leader makes decisions independently without much input from others. A democratic leader involves team members in the decision-making process to gather different perspectives. Meanwhile, a laissez-faire leader gives full freedom to members to make their own decisions. Each style has its own strength and weakness depending on the situation and organizational context. The decision-making process of leaders. The decision-making process of a leader generally involves several important steps. First, the leader identifies and understands the problem. Second, relevant information is collected to gain a clear understanding of a situation. Third, various possible alternatives are developed and analyzed. Fourth, each alternative is evaluated based on its benefits, risks, and impact. 5. The best decision is selected and implemented. Finally, the leader evaluates the result of the decision to determine whether the intended goals have been achieved. Factors influencing leaders' decision. Decision making by leaders is influenced by various factors. Internal factors include the leader's experience, knowledge, emotion, and analytical skill. External factors include environmental conditions, organizational pressure, economic situation, and influence from team members or other parties. In addition, the availability of information plays a crucial role, as better decisions are usually based on complete and accurate data. The more complex the influencing factor, the more challenging the decision-making process becomes. Types of decision in leadership. In leadership, there are several types of decision commonly made. Strategic decisions are long-term decisions that determine the direction of an organization. Tactical Tactical decisions are medium-term decisions related to implementing strategies. Operational decisions are day-to-day routine decisions related to daily activities. In addition, there are program decisions which follow established procedures and non-program decisions which arise in new and complex situations that have not occurred before. Challenge in decision making. Leaders often face various challenges in decision making. One major challenge is limited information, which can reduce decision accuracy. Time pressure is another challenge that focuses leaders to make quick decisions without depth analysis. Conflict of interest among team members can also complicate the process. Additionally, emotional factors and personal biases might affect the leader's objectivity when selecting the best alternative. The role of communication in decision making. Communication plays a very important role in leadership and decision making. A leader must be able to clearly communicate information to team members to avoid misunderstanding. Good communication also allows leaders to receive feedback, criticism, and suggestion from others. Through two-way communication, decisions become more well-informed because they consider multiple perspectives. Effective communication also helps ensure that decisions are properly implemented according to plan. Effective decision making. Effective decision making refers to decisions that produce the best possible solution by considering all relevant factors. Effective decisions are usually based on accurate data, logical analysis, and consideration of potential risks. In addition, good decisions must be realistic and achievable based on the organization's capabilities. An effective leader does not only focus on short-term outcomes but also consider the long-term impact of each decision. Example of leadership in decision making. For example, in a company experiencing a decline in sales, a leader must make the right decision to address the problem. The leader might choose several alternatives such as improving marketing strategies, reducing price, or innovating products. After analyzing sales data and market conditions, the leader selects the most effective strategy. The decision is not based only on intuition but also on data, risk analysis, and input from the team. This example shows that good leadership always involves a careful decision-making process. Conclusion. Leadership and decision-making are two interconnected elements that cannot be separated in an organization. A good leader must have the ability to make decisions that are accurate, timely, and responsible. The decision-making process is influenced by various internal and external factors and requires careful analysis of each available alternative. In addition, effective communication and information management are essential to support high-quality decisions. Therefore, strong leadership combined with effective decision-making leads an organization towards success and the achievement of its goals. Okay, this is all the explanation of the material from me. I end it with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.